In this video, I'll show you how you can trim a YouTube video with the YouTube editor. So what you need to do is you need to open up YouTube, you need to go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, and then just head over to your YouTube studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you're going to need to go to videos, so just click on videos here, and you can then select what video you want to edit. So I'm going to edit this one here, and you just want to click on the details tab, and then when you're in the details tab, go to the YouTube Studio editor. So here we're in the YouTube Studio editor once it loads. Here we can obviously edit parts of our video. Now what we're looking to do is trim the video. So the first thing we want to do is click trim video, and it's going to highlight all of the video in blue. Now this is kind of hard to understand, but I'll show you how you can do it easily and hopefully you'll be able to understand it. So if you want to trim in the middle of the video, what you need to do is you need to select where you want to trim. So select it and you can see how we've got like a selection here. You then want to click split and it's going to bring up a blue bar. You then want to go to the next part you want to trim. You then want to click split and you can see you've now got two blue bars. Now for example, if you want to trim out this section here between these two bars, you would drag one blue bar to the other and it's going to create kind of like a grayed out section. So this grayed out section here is what's going to be trimmed from your video. Now to trim it, you don't click clear all, you don't click the X here, you actually click preview. And that's going to play the video without this grayed out section. So if you were to play it, you can see it skips. So let me just do that one more time. If you were to play it here, you can see that we won't see this part of the video, it just skips straight through it. So that's how you can trim parts of your video. Make sure that it's accurate and make sure you're zooming in and you're making the cuts cleanly. And then once you've done that, once you've got this grey bar, click save. Your video will then be saved with the new trim.